Hello everyone, let's dive into the Keychron K5 Max, an ultra-slim wireless custom mechanical keyboard that's been making waves. This keyboard aims to blend portability with the customizability that mechanical keyboard enthusiasts crave. The K5 Max boasts a versatile 3-mode connection system. It features advanced 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth 5.1, and Type-C wired connectivity. The 2.4 GHz wireless and wired modes offer a rapid 1000 Hz polling rate, which is excellent for gaming and tasks where responsiveness is key. Bluetooth 5.1 allows you to connect to up to 3 devices, making it easy to switch between your computer, tablet, and phone. One of the standout features of the K5 Max is its QMK via programmability. This means you can remap any key or create custom macros to suit your workflow. The process is straightforward. Connect the keyboard to your device via cable, and then use the VIA software to drag and drop your desired functions. This level of customization is a huge plus for anyone looking to optimize their keyboard layout for specific tasks or personal preferences. It works seamlessly across macOS, Windows, and Linux. The K5 Max features a space-efficient 100% layout, which means you get all the essential keys, including a numpad, in a compact form factor. The low-profile design contributes to its sleek appearance and makes it comfortable to type on for extended periods. The keyboard comes with Keychron brown low-profile switches, which provide a tactile bump without being too loud. The PBD keycaps are durable and offer a pleasant typing experience. The white backlight adds a touch of elegance and makes it easy to type in low-light conditions. In summary, the Keychron K5 Max is a well-rounded keyboard that offers a lot of value for its price. Its combination of wireless connectivity, QMK via programmability, and slim design make it a compelling option for anyone looking for a versatile and customizable keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.